Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Aid and this is my 2006 Maserati Quattroporte Duoselect M139. So back in December last year I had an engine light that come on, and using an ODB2 reader found it was a P000C error. I did a bit of research and I found that quite a few people have fixed the error on the Maserati by swapping out the phase sensor, or as it's more commonly known, the cam position sensor. The P000C code relates to the left-hand side of the engine, and the face sensors are positioned at the rear of each cam cover. To get access to them, you'll first have to remove the engine covers, the wiper arms, wiper cowl, wiper motor, upper moulding and the inlet manifold. I've made detailed videos to show you how I've done this, and I've put links in the description below. So with everything removed and looking at the rear of the engine, you can see that the plug on the sensor plugs into the plug on the wiring loom, and it's secured in place by slotting it into the metal bracket. To remove the sensor, I firstly remove the bolt that fastens the P-clip, which is used to secure the sensor cable. I then pull the sensor plugs out of the bracket and disconnect them. Here you can see the sensor on the top rear of the cam cover and that it's secured in place with a single bolt. Using a ratchet and a hex bit, I remove the bolt and washer that secures the sensor. I then carefully remove the sensor from the cam cover. Now you might need to carefully lever the sensor out as they're a tight fit, and I found when I was putting the new one in that they actually click into place. With the sensor now removed, you can see where it fits onto the cam cover. There's a rubber O-ring on the sensor to stop any oil on the cylinder head from leaking out. Sensors on the left and right hand side of the engine have different part numbers. 230759 is for the left and 230758 for the right, and they cost around £120 each plus the delivery. Fitting the new sensor is the reverser removal, but watch how I carefully use a socket extension to gently tap the new sensor in place. You can hear the click as it's seated. Changing the sensor on the right is pretty much the same as on the left. It's worth mentioning that the other plugs on the bracket are for the angular sensor and the timing sensors. Not long after I'd bought the car, I had to have the angular sensor replaced by an independent specialist, and the labour cost was around £700, the part cost was around £65. Most of that labour cost was to remove parts to get access to do the job and then put them back again. So if you need to replace any of these sensors, you can save a considerable amount of money doing it yourself. So hopefully you found the video useful. Remember, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe and click on that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified as soon as I upload new content. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.